Today we're going to do point slope form, and we remember that slope intercept form was y equals mx plus b, and that's the form we need to graph something. We know we start at b and then we rise and run for the m and we draw a line. But sometimes they don't give us enough information, so we have to use this other formula called point slope formula. That formula, write this down, is y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. So the whole purpose of today is we're going to take this information we're provided with, we're going to put it into this point slope form, and then we're going to convert it into slope intercept form, which is this, and that's ultimately what our answer will look like. So let's do some practice. The first thing is I'm going to label everything. So I got an x1, a y1, and we always know that slope is m. So I'm just going to rewrite this y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. Okay, instead of y1, we're going to write that 1 right there. Instead of the m, we're going to write a 2, because that's a 2. And instead of the x1, we're going to write a 4. I got that from right there. Okay, we've plugged everything we know in. Now we distribute, or well, we're going to solve it. So to solve it, distributing is the first thing we do. I'm just going to copy y minus 1. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. Now, all I do to get that y by himself, I'm going to add 1 to that side, add 1 to that side. Y equals 2x minus 7. And that's your answer. That's how, when you're given a point and a slope, you use point slope form to solve it, and then we could graph that. Let's do the same thing for number 2. Oops, sorry, that's y1. All right, so y minus y1 is a 4 equals our m is a 1/2 x minus 2. Distribute y minus 4 equals 1/2 x minus 1/2 times negative 2 is negative 1. I'm going to add 4 to both sides. Y equals 1/2 x plus 3. And there's your answer. All right, let's do these two. x1, y1, and my m. Y minus 0 equals 2 over 3 x minus negative 6. When I have two negatives, minus negative, two negatives make a positive, so I'll just do x plus 6. Distribute y minus 0 equals 2/3 x plus 4. 2 over 3 times 6 is 4. Now, this just is minus 0. Well, we don't have to minus anything, so I'm just going to take that away. So y equals 2 over 3x plus 4. And that's your answer. Our next one, x1, y1, and our m, y minus negative 1, two negatives make a positive, equals negative 3 over 4 x minus negative 8. Two negatives make a positive. We'll distribute y plus 1 equals negative 3 over 4x minus 3 times 8 is 24, divided by 4 is 6. So in 1 through 4, we were given a point and the slope, and we had to find y equals mx plus b. Now we're going to change it up just a tad, and you are going to be given 2 points. So we're going to have to find their slope. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So let's label everything. x1, y1, x2, y2. All right, so first we have to find our slope. We've done that before. -1 minus 7 over 1 minus -3. If I type that straight into my calculator just like this, I get a -2. So now I have an x1, I have a y1, and I have an m. Now I'm just going to do what I was doing up above. Y minus y1 is a 7 equals m, -2, x minus -3, which we know 2 negatives make a positive. I'm going to distribute. Y minus 7 equals -2x minus 6. Then we're going to add 7 to both sides. Y equals -2x plus 1. All right, this is as far as we got, except everybody did number 6 on their own. So I need you to do this page and then do number 6 and show me. Thank you.